Super nice, super me. Y'all know how I bling out, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know how I do. Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video I'm going to be doing my MacBook unboxing, and I'm so excited to unbox this for you guys because you may know that I was supposed to do this last year, but my sickness situation, and I seen that you guys enjoyed my last unboxing video where I unboxed my iPhone 11, which I'll leave that video in the description box if you have not watched that already. But yeah, you guys may know that Apple right now is doing like this little sale where if you buy a MacBook or iPad or what's it called, a Mac desktop, you guys can get free AirPods, and I got my free AirPods as well. But little long story short with that one, I gave my mom my free AirPods just because she wanted AirPods, and like, you know, I'm gonna give it to her because she deserves it. So yeah, I gave her those, but I bought my own AirPods. But like I said, during like a certain time from, I think it started in July and it's August now, so until sometime maybe in the beginning of September that ends. So if you're thinking of getting a new MacBook, this is your sign, or any type of Mac product or an iPad or something. And comment down below which MacBook are you guys planning to get. Is it going to be the silver or the space gray? Is it going to be 16-inch or 13-inch? Let me know in the comments down below. So I'm gonna cut it open using my people are funny in the comments. They keep saying this is my little weapon, but honestly it's just my little mail opener. But I guess we can call it a little weapon, but it's whatever. And I'm gonna open this up last, so I'll leave that right there. So we're gonna get to the big business. So this is how it looks. I'm just gonna slide it out. And honestly, y'all, when I first got it, like at the time I was sick, I was still so happy with my little stomach hurting. I was like, yes, I finally got it. Oh my gosh, I'm so weak right now, but yes, I finally got it. Like, y'all, I was so freaking happy. But yeah, that's all that's in the box. This is the MacBook, and I know it's a little bit different because like how it's packaged, because this year I noticed that they added a M1 chip, so I guess that's supposed to make the MacBook faster. I wonder, does that really make a difference? Yeah, I got it in silver too, by the way. I didn't want to get the dark silver or space gray. Yeah, space gray, because it doesn't really match with my room aesthetic. And even though like my phone's black, like I don't know, I just feel like silver matched me better. But yeah, so I'm just gonna open it. This is what my laptop looks like, and I'm just gonna do that. Be very careful, and I'm gonna show you guys the inside of this first. I have my cord right here, and it just comes with the MacBook, of course, this cord, so I'm gonna leave that right there. Then it has the design by Apple in California little packet, and y'all probably don't even care about this part, but I just want to show y'all. Oh yeah, it comes with the Apple stickers. Then you have the little box thing for the charger, and let me just take that off, and it just looks like this. I wish it lit up inside. That would be so cool if this lit up, but it does not light up at all. And that's all that's in this box. And now finally to the main thing that we've been waiting for. So this is the laptop, and I'm just gonna unpackage it. And I don't even know if I repackaged it right, but it's whatever. But that's that. And this is my MacBook. Isn't it so pretty? And I got the MacBook 13-inch, well, MacBook Pro 13-inch. I was gonna get the MacBook Air, but I remember like it can't hold that much like a regular MacBook Pro can, because the MacBook Air is like good for like, you know, small things. But since I am a YouTuber and I like do my business and stuff, I'm gonna have to have like a lot of space, and I don't want my MacBook crashing down or anything. So I decided to get the MacBook Pro, and I feel like the 13-inch is fine too. It's not too big, it's not too small. The 16-inch would have probably been a little bit too big for me, but yeah, I think I'm gonna set this down, and I really want to show you guys how everything looks. But I am gonna open it. Oh shoot. Yeah, I already have set everything up, by the way, since I have been using it, and it did come with this, so it'll protect the screen. But everything was packaged really well. This is how it looks. Doesn't it look cute? Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. And yeah, I do have like a little camera cover up that I got from Amazon. That's one of the accessories that I did buy for this MacBook, because I don't got time to be stocked. I do not have the time, so I decided to get that. I'm just gonna put this laptop down and just like change the camera angle and just show you guys how to change the background, and just like show you guys like the little small things that's on this laptop. So this is what it looks like up close like this. And yeah, I forgot which update I have it on right now, but I think it's the newest update. And yeah, so as you can see, this is the Finder, Launchpad, Safari, Mail, FaceTime, Maps, Photos, Calendar, Reminders, Google Chrome, which I prefer using instead of the, did I say Safari yet? Yeah, Safari. On my laptop only, but on my phone I really don't care. Pages, Photo Booth, and I'm gonna show you guys Photo Booth real quick. And this is what Photo Booth looks like, so I'm gonna show you guys the little stuff that it has. Oh, the effects right here. I haven't used this in a while, so I love the Love Struck effect. So cute. And what's the other popular effect? Dizzy. Look, Dizzy. And the nose twirl, that one. And what else? Glow, glowing. That was weird, but anyway, yeah. And if you want to exit out, use Command and Q, so that means quit. And what was I saying? Oh, notes, iMovie, image capture. This is for when I like upload like my videos to my laptop. And this is App Store, System Preference, and Spotify. You have to download Spotify if you use Spotify, but I personally use Spotify. Do you guys prefer Spotify or Apple Music? I prefer Spotify, just in case Apple is trying to act up, so I can just switch up on them and go to Samsung. And if you guys want this picture, just hit me up on Instagram at Symphony Taylor, and I'll be happy to provide this picture for you guys. But I'm going to be using this as my, how do I do that? Oh, gosh, I forgot how I do that. And this is also one of the accessories that I bought, which was a mouse. I got it from Amazon. It matches so good, and I believe that they also have this in a space gray color as well. But yeah, I'm gonna need to use my mouse for this, because I don't even know how to work the pad yet. And this was only $13, I believe, so it was super affordable, literally, and it works so good. But yeah, I'm just gonna right click, and where is it at? Oh, set as desktop picture. And that's how I did that. And this is my current desktop picture I've been using for a minute now, and it's the Coco Mademoiselle Chanel background with some pink and white roses. This is really classy. This is really like my type of style. Doesn't this look so good? I just turned off the light for you guys just to show you guys how it looks with the light up keyboard. It looks so classy. It looks so freaking pretty. And I did buy a keyboard cover. I don't know why I'm in the camera like that, but I did buy a keyboard cover, and it's just a really pretty baby pink, and it matches so good with the background. But one thing that sucks about it is that it doesn't show like the light up keyboard part, so I just have to deal with that. But yeah, I just put it on like this, and it makes it look so girly. And I also forgot to mention the touch bar right here. And with this, all you gotta do is if you want to change the brightness, click the sun, change it up, down, up, down, up, down. I like having it dim. And the volume, if you want it loud or low, put it low. And if you don't want no sound, just click that and there's no sound. And I personally have my Siri off because I don't got time for them hearing me. They probably already do, but you know, just to be safe than sorry. Yeah, that's all for this part I want to show you guys. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory. You just learn as you go. And I did have this for like a year now, and it took me a while just to figure out everything on my own about it, and I'm still learning everything about it, honestly. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the accessories that I bought with this laptop. Then I'm also going to be unboxing the AirPods for you guys and show you guys the cases I do have for the AirPods. So you know how we usually see the Apple logo lighting up, but now it's not lighting up. It's a whole little mirror, which that's one thing I don't like about it. But like, you know, maybe they'll change it up in the future and just see how this one would go, or just to save like more battery life. But yeah, I wish this part would light up, but that's fine. I don't really care. But yeah, I love this silver one so much. It matches so well with my aesthetic. And yeah, only if they had it in gold. Oh my gosh, would I get it in gold? They only have it in gold with the MacBook Air, but would I get it in gold? I don't even know. But yeah, this is so cute. And now I'm gonna show you guys the little accessories that I bought with it. So the first one I'm gonna show you guys is this USB-C to USB adapter. And this is just for my camera because, as you guys probably know, or if you don't know, it only has USB-C little plugins. Only comes with 4, so 2 right here and 2 right here with the headphone jack, which I don't know why they'll put a headphone jack when they changed the headphone jacks for like the more updated phones. So I feel like that was like not fair, and they're just trying to get all their money to make people buy adapters. But you know, I guess you gotta do what you gotta do, so it's whatever. But yeah, it comes with the headphone jack. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how the adapter looks. So of course I already opened it, but you know, just for the sake of this video. So this is what it looks like. This is the USB-C part, and this is the USB part. Definitely handy for my laptop, especially for me being a YouTuber. And that's all that comes with it. It just has like the little directions. I did get this what is this called, like the laptop holder, so my laptop doesn't overheat on my desk, because you know, I'm trying to make my laptop last as long as it can, like at least up to 10 years or so, maybe 6, who knows. But God, please make it 10. But anyway, yeah, so I like this right here. It's not too long, because sometimes when it's like really tall, I already have a tall desk that I made, which I'll link in the description box down below, because I made my whole little vanity makeup work desk and I love it so much. And my chair only goes so high, so I didn't want nothing too tall, so this was perfect. So all I have to do is sit my laptop on it and it'll literally be chilling. So I'm gonna show you guys how it'll look. Let's pray that it does not fall while I'm showing you guys. But yeah, it'll just look like this pretty much. And yeah, I think they have this in different colors as well, but the black will look better in my room. And this is like really travel friendly. But yeah, I love this so much. I'll leave everything that I'm mentioning in this video in the description box down below if you're wondering, by the way. And let me get the other stuff. Remember I told you guys how I have a webcam cover on my laptop? This is the set that I got. It comes with 3 and it was only like I'm gonna say under $12, and they don't come off at all. I had mine on for like a whole year now, and it had not came off. I've been moving it side to side, haven't did nothing wrong to my laptop. But yeah, it's just for privacy protection and hackers. And yeah, I'm so glad it comes with 3 though. Next, I got these charger protectors. I love these so much. I already have one of them on my iPhone charger, but this is so amazing because you know the iPhone chargers be breaking so fast, and it's so annoying because who in the heck wants to keep buying Apple chargers, and they're so expensive. This is the iPhone charger that I have, and they also come with black as well, just in case if you don't want to use the gray. But yeah, I have these in black and gray. Almost forgot to show you guys the case that I have with my laptop. I just bought a black one because I didn't want nothing pink because it'll eventually get dirty. If I get gray, that'll probably get dirty. Love how it has all these compartments. It has a zipper right here and a zipper right here, and it has a zipper on the inside as well. And you can carry it like this or just carry it like this. And this is the brand where I got my keyboard cover. So yeah, what did I put in here? Oh yeah, so this is the inside of it. It's super protective inside. It's waterproof, I believe. And yeah, I just love how it looks like super protective inside. This is literally like perfect for the MacBook Pro and just like a MacBook in general, or just a laptop in general. You definitely need this just to protect this expensive MacBook. This was like so freaking expensive. But yeah, I got this little set, which I'll link down below, of course. Helps clean your laptop. This like dusts everything out and picks things out. So I'm just gonna open it like that. And oh gosh, that sound. Oh my gosh, I hated that sound. This is what it looks like on the inside. I gotta make sure that this is not gonna move. These are so freaking nice. These are brand spanking new. And I'm gonna try to do like some aesthetically pleasing stuff. So let me just open it nice. Ooh, I like how I opened it. See that? Hold up, wait a minute. Nice. Okay, I like how I did that. Pretty. Okay. And it just has the little directions or whatever. So I'm just gonna take it out like this and move this. And it has the charger cord inside, which I'll leave that there because I already have so many charger cords. I don't need all these cords around, okay? And yeah, so okay, yeah, these are the AirPods that you'll get if you get a MacBook or an iPad or a Mac laptop, or maybe an iPhone too as well. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys the cases that I have for it. So the first one I have, which I think I'm going to use this one, I'm not sure yet, is the Coco little perfume bottle. And this is so freaking cute. Like, oh my gosh, isn't this so cute? This one right here is my, oh my gosh, it looks so much better on camera. Ooh, who is that? This is my AirPod case. Anyway, yeah, so this is really cute. Really blingy, all out blingy, super nice, super me. Y'all know how I bling out, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know how I do. So this is all for the MacBook unboxing and AirPods unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below, and let me know if you guys are getting the MacBook Pro 13-inch or the 16-inch and which color and all that good stuff. So if you guys haven't checked out my latest videos on my channel, please make sure to do so. Like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. And I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.